Assalamu alaikum everybody. Today we'll start a new chapter in mathematics that is about money. So money is what we call पैसे जो हम बोलते हैं, that is money. So in every country, in different countries, there are different kind of currency. Now what is currency? Currency is the type or system of money used in any country. एक किस्म की एक टाइप का एक सिस्टम एक रूल्स के हिसाब से जो पैसों को डिवाइड करते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज करेंसी. करेंसी डिफर्स इन ईच कंट्री. हर कंट्री की अलग अलग करेंसी होती. बट हियर टुडे विल लुक obviously only about the currency of India. The currency of India is called as rupees. Okay, the currency of India is called rupees. Rupees is the bigger unit and smaller unit is पैसे. ये हिंदी का पैसे पैसे नहीं है. This is English पैसे. It is a smaller unit. Fine. The symbol of rupees is every country, currency will have its symbol, because every time when you are writing the amount or writing rupees in any bills or shopping bills or bank statements, every time you can't write rupees. It will be difficult if the amount is bigger. So you will write the symbol. The symbol of rupees will be like this. Hindi. In Hindi, how you will put ra? Like that, but with two lines. Okay? Rupee symbol will be like, because our national language is Hindi, that's why the rupee symbol is also something like this. The Hindi kara and like this two lines. This is the symbol. And while writing paisa, it is nothing but a small p. Okay? This is the symbol. So the currency of India is called as rupees. The higher unit is rupees. This is the symbol, and the lower unit will be called as paisa. Higher unit, why I am saying, as in when the explanation is going on, you will understand. Fine. So how you will write the amount? In numbers. When I am writing rupees in numbers, first I'll put the rupees symbol. And I have to write 15 rupees. For example, if I went and I bought a chocolate, so that chocolate is of 40 rupees. So how will I write it? Rupees symbol, you will not write rupees 40. You will use the symbol, rupees symbol and 40. This is rupee. Now you all may know, sometimes you refer in Hindi as आठाने. आठाने बोलते ना, that will be half rupees. वो आ जाता है पैसे में. ठीक है, आठाने. See, 1 rupee is there. In this 1 rupee, there are 100 paise. Okay, like 1 to 100 something. 100 paise, 100 points लिए तो आपको 1 rupee मिलता. Okay, if you are taking 100 points, then it will become 1 rupee. So like that we are saying 1 rupee. In 1 rupee there are 100 paise. Okay. So when you are seeing, mostly it is famous nowadays. When I was small, there were like आठाने बोलकर भी एक coin आती थी. But now mostly, rarely you people at this time found that 50 paisa coin, जिसको हम आठाने बोलते. आठाने is nothing but 50 paisa. ये 50 पैसा क्या है? In 1 rupee, I told there are 100 पैसे. तो half of 100 is 50. Half of 100 is 50 पैसा. तो आधा 1 rupee का half बोले, like 100 rupees का half कितना होता? What is the half of 100 rupees? Rupees 50. Like that, 1 rupee, the half of 1 rupee will be 50 paisa, because 1 rupee में 100 पैसा है. From that 100 paisa, if you take 50, it will be half. If you take 25 पैसे, जिसको 4 आने बोलते थे, 25 पैसा will be 1/4 of it. Okay. So 25 paise, if I gave 25 paise, if you have to make 1 rupee from this 25 paise, you have to make it 100. You have to add more 75 paise to it. If you add both, you will get 100 paise. 100 paise is nothing but 1 rupee. I hope it is clear. Now, how you will represent the numbers? Here I showed easy way. Only if the amount is in rupees, very simple, put the symbol and write the amount. But if the amount is having some paisa also, like I bought a chocolate that is of 40 rupees and 50 paisa. In Urdu, 40 rupees 8 आने, like that we will say. So how we will write that? This is 40 rupees हो गया. You will put a dot in middle. Then you will write the amount of paisa. How many paisa I said? 50 paisa. But here at the end of 50, you will not write P. It is understood. Okay. There is a difference. एक dot आता. After the dot, we will write paisa. Before the dot, we will write rupees. Okay. But when you are writing here, you don't need to put the small symbol of P. It is understood. के point के बाद the number is after the point, that means it is in paisa column. Okay. But if there is no number over here, 00.50, this is only 50 rupees. 50 paisa. There is no rupees. Rupees में कुछ भी number नहीं है. Then for writing like that, we have to write 50 paisa, or we can also write it as only 50p. Sirf paisa, only paisa if you are explaining 1 to 100, any number, 95 paisa, 75 paisa, 25 paisa, we will write p. But once this number crosses 100, 100p is equal to 1 rupee. Once this number crosses 100, you will not write 120p. That will be wrong. You will write, if this 100 will be 1 rupee, and then you will write 20. Then rupee symbol. It is understood. This 1 is nothing but 100 paisa, 1 rupee hoga, and 20 will be in paisa. Okay. Now, in the next exercise or questions, we are going to learn this only, how to convert rupees into paisa and how to convert paisa into rupees. So this you understood, I hope. You will write the rupee symbol. Any number, this can be 3-digit number, 4-digit number, 1000, 100 rupees, anything. Then you will put a dot. After dot, whatever the numbers are coming, that will come under paisa. If there is no number, or if you are writing only 00, it is fine. Only if you are writing like this 0 also, it is fine. It is understood 40 rupees only. But mostly when you are going for shoppings and on, in bills, they will mention like the 00 paisa for better understanding or better calculation. Okay. If you don't write this also, it is understood 40 only. I hope you all understood till here. Before point will be rupees, after point will be paisa. Now, we are going to learn 2 topics today, that is conversion of rupees into paisa first. I'll erase this. Convert. I'm putting symbols. Convert rupees to paisa. This is our first exercise. How to convert rupees into paisa. Now, very easy these are. I am going to put few questions for you. Rupee 1 just now we saw. Rupees 5. I'll take a 2-digit number, rupees 25, and I'll take a bigger number, rupees 8. Fine. Now all these rupees we have to convert into paisa. There are 2 methods for this. Okay. Now, there are 2 methods for this. It is if the question is given directly in rupees. This is one method. Directly I have given in rupees. Okay. If the question is given in both the form, rupees also is there, paisa is also there. I'll change the chalk and write the question. Like this. 23 rupees 80 paisa. I'm not writing P because it is understood it is after the dot. Okay, rupees 10. Let's take a small number, rupees 325. See the difference here. Here dots are not there, only rupees is mentioned. Here dots are there, that means here paisa is also there. Okay, paisa bhi hai, rupees bhi hai. Paisa unit is also there, rupees unit is also there. Here only rupees is there. Now, conversion. Let's start converting. It is very simple. I said two methods are there. First method will be for this one where only rupees is given. Second method will be for this one where rupees is also there, paisa is also there. It is very simple. Because 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa, whenever you are finding the value of each rupees or 100 rupees, 200 rupees in paisa, you are going to multiply. Rupees को आप 100 से multiply करेंगे. You will multiply the amount of rupees with 100, you will get the answer in paise. Okay, you will multiply the amount in rupees with 100, you will get the amount in paise, because 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. Now here, next is 5 rupees into 100. How much paisa? 500 paisa. See, very simple. Whenever you are multiplying with 100 with any number, whether 2-digit number, 3-digit number, when you are multiplying the number with 100, very simple technique is you just have to add 2 zeros at the end of the number. Here I did 5 into 100, 500 paisa. Here I am doing 25 into 100. Now you don't need to make columns 3-digit, 25, then multiplying, 2-step addition and all. You don't have to do such big. You have to use your mind. Whenever you are multiplying with tens, hundreds and all, you will just put the 2 zeros at the end of the number. What is our number? Number is 25. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. You will add 2 zeros. You get the answer. Okay? Our answer is 2500 paisa. You have to mention P here. Fine. Next again, 80 multiplied by 100. What will be the answer? 80 is the number. You don't have to skip this 0. 80 to number hai. How many zeros? 2 zeros. 8000 paisa. You can do it directly with your mind also. No need of doing the multiplication. I am giving 75, 64, 93, any rupees. I am telling you to convert it into paisa. Directly 75 you write. Paisa mein change karna, you are multiplying by 100. 100 will have 2 zeros, put 2 zeros P. 64, put 2 zeros P. 93, put 2 zeros P. Okay, got it? Now, next we will go to this question where we are having both rupees also, paisa also. Okay. Now, again it is the same thing only. You have to multiply 23.80 into 100. So, this 80 is already in paisa form. Point apne ko you have to convert in paisa. This 80 and 25 is already in paisa. You have to change only this part. Before the point, you have to change this part. So, what you are doing, big method I am showing here. 23 into 100 you will do. Converting first rupees. 23 into 100 will be, I already told you, 23. Write the number, add 2 zeros. Now next. Next is how many paisa you are having? 80 is paisa. You will add 80 to this. 80, sorry. Now what will be the answer? 2300 plus 80. Why to do this long method? Writing down, adding 2380p. You got the answer. Such long method, no? Simple and quickest method, but you should understand, showing long method doesn't mean you will always use the easy method and forget the basic concept. See here, in this amount, point, the number after the point is already in paisa, you don't have to touch that. The number that is in rupees, that you will convert. 23 रुपीज में है, 23 को मल्टीप्लाई करके यू कन्वर्टेड, देन पैसा तो 80 था ही, you are adding this paisa to this paisa, 223 80p you got. This is the long method. The short method is simply you have to remove this dot from the middle. Okay, you just have to remove this dot from the middle. 325 paisa, very easy. How much ever big amount I am giving you, you can easily solve it. Just you have to remove the dot while converting into पैसा. कब? यहाँ पर dot नहीं है, you have to multiply or add zeros. Here dot is there, you just can remove it और ये symbol rupees का भी हटा देना, then only it will be पैसा. I'll write a bigger number again. Suppose 96.75. Okay. Now multiplying 96 with 100, then adding that answer with 75. Why long method? Simple method. 96, 75. We remove the dot and we write p. We remove the rupees symbol also. I hope you got. These are the two methods. If the question is in rupees, just add 2 zeros or multiply by 100. If the question is in both rupees and paisa, you will multiply the rupees with 100 and then add that paisa in the answer. Otherwise, just remove the dot and write the paisa. Okay. Next, we will convert paisa into rupees. That is more easier than this. Shall I? I'll show that side. Okay. Convert paisa into rupees. I'll put down few questions. Okay. I'll put down 2-digit, 3-digit and 4-digit first. 65 paisa. Then I'll write 2-digit. 100 paisa you already know is 1, so I'll leave 100. I'll write a bigger number. 300 paisa. Then here I'll add few numbers like 463 paisa, and a 4-digit number will be like 7,000 paisa. If any number is also there, the system, the way I am showing will be same. Instead of 0, if numbers are also there, the way I am going to show you the conversion, it will remain the same. Now here, in this question, in the 4 questions that I wrote here, all the questions are only in paisa form. Okay? All the questions are only in paisa form. But if and there are actually 3 digits, no? I'll write few more examples of 4 digits, sorry. One 442 3099. Okay. Now, converting of paisa into rupees, we are having only one method only. That is, come on. To convert paisa into rupees, the very easiest form is simply we remove. We put a dot before 2 digits from the right. To convert paisa into rupees, we simply put a dot before 2 digits. See here in this part where we were converting rupees into paisa, we were removing the dot. Right side means ones place. Okay, ones tens. This will be not hundreds place. I am telling you for understanding. Right side पे कौन सा number है 5. यहाँ पे 2 numbers के बाद dot था. We were removing dot to convert p. But to convert into paisa. But अगर rupees में convert करना है, you will add the dot. Fine. Like here. This is 65 paisa. ये तो 100 पैसा में 1 रुपी रहते तो ये 100 से भी कम है. So the answer again you will get in paisa only. But still, for your understanding, you are converting in rupees. Fine. He is telling to put dot after two numbers from the right side. This will be one number, this will be two. इसके बाद dot डालना है, तो what will be the number? 65 I am writing. After two numbers you have to put a dot. अब dot से पहले कुछ नहीं है, there is nothing before the dot, so you will put 0 over here. Okay? Now, next number, it will be easier for 3-digit and 4-digit numbers. Now here is 3-digit number. You are converting in rupees. Put the rupees symbol. Okay? It is nothing but here you were multiplying by 100, here you are dividing. But this is the simplest form given in your syllabus, so I am showing only this. Now, 300 is your number. We have to put a dot after 2 digits from the right side. लेफ्ट साइड से नहीं, 1 2 के बाद यहाँ डॉट नहीं आना, you have to start from the right side. 1 2 after 2 digits you will put a dot. You got how many rupees? Rupees 3. 300 paisa equal to rupees 3. Now this number, rupees symbol 463. After 2 digits you will put a dot. Rupees 4 and 63 is obvious, 63 paisa में ही है. You got the answer. Now 7,000. 7,000 after 2 digits you will put a dot. This 7,000 paisa is equal to rupees 70. Next. After 2 digits 1 2 you will put a dot. This is 1,444 is nothing but rupees 14 and 42 paisa. After 2 digits putting a dot. Then 3,099 paisa. After 2 digits put a dot, it will become rupees 30 and 99 paisa. Got it? Here you have to add dot. Add a dot, sorry, before 2 digits, or you can say after 2 digits from the right side. राइट साइड से काउंट करिए, 1 हो गया, 2 हो गया, 2 डिजिट्स के बाद. सो आई राइट हियर after 2 digits from the right. Here what is happening? If the dot is there, simply remove the dot, remove the rupees symbol and just write P. Here if the single numbers are there, multiply by 100. Otherwise simply add 2 zeros at the end. You will get the answer. I hope you understood. It's very easy. Okay. I hope you can see now. Take a quick glance of the board.